Hello, I am Yusuf. Let me show you an AI-powered product pricing workflow built with NAN, and Streamlit. We will walk you through each part of the system step by step. Part 1. Web scraping and creating RAG. We start by collecting product data from external websites. To do this, we use HTTPS request nodes to fetch data from specific URLs. Once we receive data, the raw JSON, we clean it using the code node to make it readable. After that, we merge all the cleaned data into a single dataset using merge tools. Because we need to visualize and format the data properly, we convert our JSON to HTML using another code node. Then we translate the content into English using the Google Translate tool. And then, to make sure our RAG system and vector store database work properly, we convert the cleaned data into Markdown format. Our data is relatively simple, so the Markdown node works perfectly here. If your data is more complex, you could also use like Firecrawl or Llama for better parsing. Since the vector store doesn't accept raw string data, we convert the Markdown text into a file before uploading it. Finally, we send this processed data into the Pinecone vector store and our RAG foundation is ready. Let's move part 2. The workflow receives a post request from the Streamlit webpage to trigger execution. Streamlit provides a simple interface for user to input product data, like this. This is our simple Streamlit web page. And then the workflow then fetches products from Shopify using the Shopify tool. Okay. The product description often includes HTML tags, which we clean using a code node. Since the data is in Turkish, we translate it into English with Google Translate. Finally, we simplify the data before sending it to our AI agent for processing. This is actually so important thing for our application because if we reduce the data size, if we don't reduce the data size, the price is gonna be high, okay? Actually, our token level is low, must be low, okay? If the token level is high, our cost is high. And then moving to AI agent part. The workflow receives a post request from the Streamlit web page to trigger execution. Shall I set that? The workflow compares the incoming product, price, and title with existing data in the vector store database. If no comparable data is found, it uses SerpAPI to search Google for relevant information. Based on this data, the AI agent determines the final price. Then, it writes the offered price and product title to our Google price sheet using the offer tool. Okay? If any calculation are required, the calculator tool is used. The most crucial element here is the agent prompt, which defines how the AI makes pricing decisions, like this. I will share this prompt to you. And then, let's move part 4. Agent. User question. Finally, Streamlit collects the user question through the user question tool via a webhook. The question is sent to the AI agent, which first searches for relevant information in the Pinecone vector store. If no matching data is found, the agent performs an internet search using SerpAPI. Okay. The gathered information is then returned as a JSON response to the respond to webhook tool and displayed on the Streamlit interface. This workflow automates product data collection, price analysis, and user question answering using AI. It integrates the Streamlit, N8N, Shopify, Pinecone, and SerpAPI to create a complete, automated, and intelligent system. Thanks for watching. You can check out the full project on GitHub. Before I close the video, I actually show you the product of, I actually show the end of the product, okay? For example, when we start AI pricing analyzing button, when we click on this button, and analyzing workflow successfully triggered. Okay, access your final report here, view Google Sheet analysis. We can view this like this, adjustable three-star ring set, price of product. This is AI price of product. Okay, and then actually we can ask that this price to our AI agent. Okay, and agent is analyzing right now, sending to NAN. The backend is work. Current price is 359. Recommended price 450. Justification mechanism shows the trend for similar products range from the 350 and 455, setting the price at like this. Okay, for example, if no data in there, like we will have 20. What is the price? Okay, agent is analyzed. Backend is working right now, and current price is 2,500,000 in Turkish lira. Okay, and this is our rec application. Thanks for watching. If you want to contact with me, you can do it. Okay.